Dear student, today we will study about Heisenberg uncertainty principle on the basic of quantum mechanics. As you know slightly what is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle in lower classes, but today we will teach about very strongly and physical meaning of Heisenberg uncertainty principles. Before Heisenberg uncertainty principles, until 1926, it is believed that we can exactly measure the position and the momentum of any particle, any system very exactly until our apparatus does not refuse to it. So we are believe that we can measure a parameter very exactly without any uncertainty. But on the 1927, when Heisenberg gave his historical idea of uncertainty, he claimed that on the basis of quantum mechanics, it is not possible to find out the exact positions and momentum at the same instantaneous of particle is impossible. Then this is called Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Here we can say that there is two parameters are taken, delta x, delta p multiplied to each other always show greater than or equal h cross upon 2. Here we can say that the delta x delta x is uncertainty in positions, means that if we are taking a particle which is moving on any axis, then if we know the distance d from point A, then we can't say what is the exact position of these moving particles from A to outer side. If any time, any moment it lies at here, then we can say that at this instant we know approximate value of position of particles, not exact. There must be uncertainty, because if we are taking this interval from here to here, particle is continuously present, then what should we do? This is called uncertainty. Here I would like to say again, this is the blank, we will use it for explanations. Here this is our axis, this is the point A. From here particle moving to outer side, this is the point B. Distance between A and B we suppose that L, and particle has its own diameter which we are say to R is radius of particle. Then any moment when particle is here, we know the position of particle from A, that is, what is that? This is position here, but this is not good, because particle lies between this point and this point continues, then there must be uncertainty. If we are saying that the position of particle equal to x dash equal to x1, which is the distance from here, x1 plus r is also good or correct, or we can say that x1 plus 2r is also correct. There are the two correct value for the same value. This is the called uncertainty, because we can't claim exactly the position of particles. Such like this, if we are talking about the momenta, then we have same type of uncertainty in the momentum of particle. Then what will be? then their multiply delta x mean of uncertainty in position. On the other hand, delta p is uncertainty in momentum of particle, and multiply of both always be greater than or equal h cross upon 2. Mean of that, if we are claim that we are going to, if I have any experimental setup or an instrument which can measure position of particle with infinitely precisely, then what will be, if x going to exact value approaching, then delta x equals to 0. Mean of this, if we are talking about exact value of positions, then the uncertainty in momentum rising up and up is going to infinity, then their multiply of both are a constant or always greater than. This is Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Thanks.